I joined etoro.com copy trading 1 week ago. Do you want to see how much money I made by investing $1,264.59? I will show you with a screenshot from my account. So I made $90. Not too bad for just investing the money and leaving it for a week. That works out to at 7% return. The two copy traders I followed are 1. J Nemesis, 2. Jep Kirk Bond. There are loads of other traders on the platform, but these two are my personal favorites at the moment. I will create a follow-up video to this to show the results after 30 days, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Also, please check out my 3 favorite ways to make money online by clicking the link in my description.